When it comes to the Sonderkraftfahrzeug 250 and 251 half-tracks, these diverge onto their own two separate paths. The Sonderkraftfahrzeug 250 had tracks on a sprue from the first model in 1998, which was the 250/1 Neu or New Armored Personnel Carrier, or APC. The product number is 6100. Now, the first appearance of Magic tracks on the 250 is the 2007 premium edition of the 250/1 Neu APC. So this was actually a premium version of Dragon's very first 250 kit, which I just showed you. The product number of the premium edition is 6427. From that model on, all 250s released by Dragon had Magic tracks. As of November 2025, the only exception to this is the Cyber Hobby 2014 re-release of the 6100, which had the old tracks on a sprue, not Magic tracks. Tracks on here, and then at the upper right you can see the track pads, and they went together like this. The risk of breaking some of those while cutting out the tracks as opposed to the track pads from the sprue were present. Now, the history of the 251s with the so-called EZ or easy tracks is slightly more complicated than with the 250s. The first Dragon Sonderkraftfahrzeug 251 half-track to come out was the Ausführung C in 2003, product number 6187. The original release of that version had tracks on a sprue, and they looked like this. The first 251 to have pre-cut tracks was the 3-in-1 Ausführung D. It was released in 2004 and might be the first Dragon kit to have pre-cut tracks. The C's have tracks on a sprue, and the D's have EZ tracks or pre-cut tracks. For instance, you see the C Ausführung C there, Wurfrahmen 40, the grenade launcher version. That one came out in 2005, so we are entering the age of Dragon also putting pre-cut tracks in many of their kits. It's the 251/17 Ausführung C with a cannon on top, armored cannon, from 2007. With lots of neat stuff inside, including brass with indicators and a DS driver, brass netting for picking up the spent shells, but still tracks on a sprue. It even included white box versions of the C versions. The C 251s still had tracks on a sprue, even though they were the more expensive white box versions. This even includes some of the rather late C's. This is a re-release of an Ausführung C Flammenpanzer from 2019, beginning with the re-release of the Wurfrahmen 40. Every version now has pre-cut easy tracks, both Ausführung C and D. So there's both a C and a D Flammenpanzer, and one had tracks on a sprue and the other pre-cut tracks.